Hey Van Friends, Josh from Van Life Outfitters here at Van Life Outfitters headquarters, and our neighbor Lubercraft, who's one of the top builders in the Southeast, has just finished a van. So we figured, hey, why not? Let's film a van tour while the customer's waiting to pick it up. All right, this is a pretty nice looking van. First thing I notice is this really cool fold down table here. I actually had one of these on my first van, and this is really nice what he did here. The magnet's hidden inside here, and there's a magnet inside here, and that's what keeps this table from staying up, which is really smooth. That way you get the whole entire work surface and you don't have a big magnet or latch sitting here. He also had the foresight to put in an outlet right here in case you want to use an induction cooktop or a blender, I guess, for some margaritas. The other thing he has here is a really cool dimmer here, which when you're cooking at night really comes in handy because it illuminates this work surface. So he's thought of everything. This has a really nice suede material here, and if you look here, this is actually the switch that is activated when the door is closed. So when the door closes, it activates this, it pushes this switch and it turns the light off, and then when the door opens, it releases that switch and the light turns on. So the next thing you'll probably notice is the floor is Lawn Seal, which is a really high-end vinyl sheet flooring. It comes in 6-foot wide sheets, so it's one piece that can cover your entire width of your van. It's a very high-end product, very durable. It's used in private jets, it's used in commercial aircraft, it's used in commercial vessels. Actually, Disney uses it on their shuttle boats. I really like these latches. He routed a notch into the actual wood, so it doesn't have that typical L-shaped catch on there. It's those little small details that really make the difference. We have here a custom shelf that Mr. Luber built here. This is really slick. This looks almost like factory. This is just, again, I keep geeking out about this stuff, and I apologize, people at home watching this, but these are the things that really show me that a builder is like, really takes the time to do the small things. But anyways, there's actually, I don't know if you noticed, that there's a light in here. And the light is activated by the door itself. So when the door is closed, it turns the light off automatically, and then when the door is opened, it turns the light on. You see that a lot in home applications, but you know, a lot of van builders just don't think to do that. The next thing we have here is a really nicely integrated curtain system. It looks like he had this curtain custom made, and he actually integrated the track right into the wood trim, which is really smooth. This is actually a really cool, this is for cowboy hats. The customer specifically wanted that for his cowboy hat. They got their handy dandy GX Touch 50 here. This customer opted for just the rheostat controller. This trim piece here, I mean, it's custom made, but it just really shows the craftsmanship of Lubercraft. This is a really great floor plan. I really like this because you can use this as a desk, look outside while you're working, really neat. But then you can use this as a table for two for dining. Nice size sink. You have a little pull-out spray here, which is actually kind of comes in handy. Get a sort of a backup shower here. That's kind of cool. But you can see here he's put in 2 soap dispensers, and I'm obviously guessing one is for hand soap and one is for dish soap. Here he's got a really nicely integrated extra counter space here, and this is all real wood. I really like the choices that the customer and Luber made here with this looks like oak and white. The oak and the white and the black trim looks really great. But if you look here, you know, Luber actually recessed these hinges, and I actually really like that. I think that's really nice. Again, small details. I really like that he doesn't put any bases in the cabinets. It saves weight and it's just a lot better. So he actually has the gray water tank drain valve on a switch right here. So when he gets to wherever he's going at a dump station, he doesn't have to get down on the ground and pull the dump valve. He can just hit this button right here and it dumps it. Oh wow, this is really nice. This is a custom little pantry, I guess. Really nice work. We have here, this looks like it's going to be for a microwave or possibly maybe a coffee maker or something. I believe what the customer wants here is just a toilet closet for now, but he wants the option in the future to add in a shower pan and convert this into a shower. But for right now, he just wanted a little private area for using the restroom. And a product that I've been looking at potentially adding to Van Life Outfitters is this really cool MaxFan Dome with an integrated LED light. It's kind of cool. As we can see here, the new Mabru faceplate that we've kind of designed for the Mabru air conditioner, the Mabru RV12000, because a lot of people don't necessarily love the way that the interior trim of the stock Mabru RV12000 looks. So we decided, hey, let's design something and integrate it so that it can be used with the Mabru RV12000. And these are actually available at vanlifeoutfitters.com. There's a link to this faceplate on the Mabru RV12000 page, and you can add that to your purchase. We have the brand new NRX 80T, fresh off the boat. These are really good looking. I really like that, you know, they've taken the plastic off, so you can get right up close to that and you can see how beautiful this material is. First thing you'll notice about this fridge is it's got, for an 80-liter fridge, it's actually got a nice amount of space. It's got a couple crisper drawers, a couple shelves. It's got a removable freezer section, so you can convert this actually into all freezer if you really like pizza, frozen pizza and ice cream. A couple nice shelves on the door. It's just overall really great fridge. This is really cool. Here he has a little step here. Just really high quality build. And I love the ceiling with the integrated LED lights. Just very, very slick. Dimmable. Just look at the trim in the back. It's just, I mean, it's a work of art. This is really, really clean woodworking, people. Let's go check out the garage. Okay, really clean garage. I really like this. You can see that he's lined all of the cabinets with Lawn Seal. And I think the reason why he does that is because, you know, you're throwing bikes in here, you're throwing paddle boards in here, you're throwing all kinds of outdoor gear in here, and it can be dirty and wet. He's got some fans, fans built in there that are running. He's got integrated lighting in here. This is really, really nice. This is a really, really nice garage. This looks like a 12-volt secondary alternator electrical bundle from Van Life Outfitters. And you can tell because you have the wake speed there that's probably hooked up to the alternator, secondary alternator from Nations. You have the Serbo GX, you have the MPPT charge controller, you have the Lynx power in, the Lynx distributor on both sides of the Lynx Smart BMS. You have an Orion 12-1230 DC to DC charger for a little bit of extra juice. And then he's got two 330 amp hour lithium smart batteries from Victron, totaling 660 amp hours. Nice size battery bank, and he clearly has a little bit of extra room for a third battery if he wants to add it. This is the WFCO 8930/50 AC/DC distribution panel. So you have your AC breakers here, your AC circuits here, and your DC circuits here. Really clean all-in-one panel that we like to recommend to customers, and we sell it at Van Life Outfitters. Then he has a sea level tank monitor, which you're not going to be looking at this monitor very frequently because I believe that this customer also purchased the tank monitoring kit from Van Life Outfitters, so he's going to be able to see his tank levels on his Serbo GX Touch 50. So I'm going to open up this one, and this just looks like just an extra storage cabinet. I would imagine you could, you know, if the customer did want to add some more batteries, you know, he's got room for a third battery, but he could add a fourth and a fifth battery, to be honest with you, in this spot here. And I think this is just closed off because it's the wheel well. I can see in this vent here, he has a IsoTemp Spa 20. IsoTemp, it looks like an IsoTemp Spa 20. Oh, actually, it opens up. Yeah, this is a water heater that connects up to the coolant lines in your van. So as you drive, you're heating your water. So you don't use any electricity, you don't use any gasoline or diesel or whatever your van's fuel is. You don't use any of that to heat your water. You're literally just heating your water off of the energy that the heat that the engine is producing. So we like to call it free limitless hot water. And then I'm guessing that this is going to be the water tank and the water pump. And that's what it is. It's nice. He added a little bit of extra storage here because he had a little bit of extra space, so why not? And then you have a Seaflow water pump from Van Leef Outfitters and a Seaflow accumulator from Van Leef Outfitters. But really clean plumbing work from Lubricraft. Well, that does it for this tour. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Check out vanleefoutfitters.com for blog posts, videos, and product reviews. And also check out our store, vanleefoutfitters.com, for all the best road-tested products for your camper van build. See you next time.